welcome back to Sophie's Playday. Today I'm going to show you guys how to make King Bee. This is Queen Bee's family. We have Puppy, Little Queen Bee, and two of our Queen Bee from the Series 1 and the Glitter Series. So to make the family complete, I want to make King Bee. So recently we found out all the names of the new L.O.L Surprise Boys Series 1, and one of the Glitterati Club boys is King Bee. Alright friends, let me show you how I'm going to make King Bee. So here are all the supplies I'll be needing. I have my box of accessories and shoes and extra clothes I'll be needing to look for King Bee's outfit. I already chose out this doll. This is So Babe. I like her skin tone. It really matches Queen Bee, and I think King Bee's skin tone is going to be like that. I'll be using some glitter, gold glitter. These are just little body paint so I can put the outfit on to paint better. Some Q-tip, cotton ball, yellow acrylic paint, black acrylic paint, and Duraclear to seal the paint. Also white acrylic paint. I'm going to use a variety of brushes, and I'll also be using this magic clay. It's ultralight clay. I'll be using the yellow one. I used this when I made Nightfall and it worked very well. And another paint I forgot to mention is I'll be using this gold metallic acrylic paint. This time I'll be using glue gun because I'm going to be cutting the buns off, and I'm going to use this just to cover the hole up better. Okay, let's take a look in here. We're going to look for an outfit and some shoes. So on the picture, King Bee looked like he's wearing a jacket. So let me see. Okay, I think I'm going to use this one right here. This is Rocker's jacket. And for the shorts, I found this one. And for the shoes, I'm thinking to go with these one here. And that's it. I think we have all the outfit together, so let's get to the doll. Okay, so first I'm going to remove some of the paints that I don't need with acetone. Now I'm going to remove the buns and I'm going to cut it off with a scissor. To fill the empty hole, I'm going to use glue gun because last time I put clay on, and clay when it dried it just fell in the hole. So this time I'm going to try glue gun first. In order for the ultralight air dry clay to stick on the doll, I'm going to use the regular air dry clay first. To get the ultralight clay on the doll, it's best to mold it out first and then apply it to the hair later. So here I'm just going to cut off the excess clay and then try to shape it like the hairline. Then I'm going to use this nail dotting tool. I'm going to use this just to make the shape of the hair to make it look more fluffy like Queen Bee's hair. Moving on, I'm going to paint the white parts of the jacket all black. For the shorts, I'm going to paint the base yellow. Moving on to the shoes, I'm going to paint the soles of the shoes black. For the hair, I'm going to paint it gold. There are some glitter parts on the jacket, so I'm going to paint the base gold first and then add the glitter in last. For the shoes, I forgot to remove this black line, so I'm going to do it now. The shoe was a little bit too yellowish orange and I kind of wanted more gold, so I'm just going to put gold over it. Moving on to the body, I'm going to paint the socks on King B. He had knee-high socks on with gold stripes. Moving on to the face, I am going to paint the eyes brown. For the pupils, I'm just going to darken it with black and make it a little bit rounder. Here, I'm just going to outline the eyeliner just a little bit more, make it more defined. And then I'm going to work on the eyebrows. To add the glitter, I'm going to use this glitter glue bottle in gold. And then I'm going to evenly spread it out with my brush. This is the fun part. I get to shake all that glitter onto his hair. I'm going to do the same to the shorts and the jacket. And the last step of all is to seal the paint with Duraclear. With the area that has glitter, I'm going just to dab on the Duraclear. I'm not going to brush it on because that would just smear the glitter everywhere. Before I seal King B's face, I'm going to brush off all of those glitter because once the Duraclear seals in, the glitter is going to stay there. Now that everything is dried and set, I'm going to put the clothes back on and reveal our doll. King B looks awesome. I think I'm gonna show Sophie. I'm gonna surprise her. I'm gonna put this in a ball and have her unbox it. Alright, Sophie's here. She has the gold ball.
Out of school.
Yeah, she just got home from school, so I'm gonna let her open it. Excited? It's a surprise. Who do you think that is? King B, that's right. You already knew, huh? Okay, let me bring out Queen Bee for you and the whole family. Yes, he's easy to spot because he has all that gold glitter. Are you happy with your bee family, Sophie?
Yeah.
Yeah. This one is just a custom, but the boys series is gonna come out soon, so when we get it, we're gonna unbox it and have everyone together. Alright friends, that's it for this video. I hope you guys like my custom of King Bee. If you liked it, make sure you give me a thumbs up and subscribe to Ruff Ruff No, subscribe to
Sophie Playday.
Alright friends, until next time, we'll see you guys later. Bye!